Okay, I have a TroyBilt 2-cycle trimmer. I just bought it, and it is a model number TB252S, and I'm going to take the head off of it so I can put one of these on there, the GrassGator. So how to do that? With the head, you notice as you turn the head, you can see right here there's a notch. You turn this. So to take that head off, what I have to do, I put a nail or something in here to hold that so it won't turn. Then I take this head and I will turn it to the right. That's going to be tough. I've already loosened mine, but you take it to the right and it will just bend right off. And there we have it. All right, on this particular trimmer, the TroyBilt, I'm going to install this GrassGator on there. And you notice there's several nuts and bolts. Being this trimmer has a bolt sticking out, we'll be using a nut. Now I tried these different nuts, and this one here is the one that fits. Now you'll notice when I put this onto the bolt on the trimmer that typically you would spin a bolt to the right to tighten it up. But this is a trimmer, and being the trimmer spins this way, then they've also got the nut threaded in reverse so that as it spins that way, it will keep the nut tight. So you will have to screw it that way to put that on there. So what I'm going to do, then I will put this onto the bolt, and when I get it on there, I will have to put this, a nail or something back into here to hold this in place so I can tighten it up. So I put this on there, like so. It goes on there. I put my nut on there, and I can hand hold this a little bit, get it started. And I will spin it this way to get it started. Okay, now it's starting to tighten up, so I need to get something in here to hold this right there. So I will put something right in there to hold that, and then I will finish tightening that up, and I spin it. Now it's getting tight. Okay, now it's on there tight. Take that back out, and there we have it. It is installed on the TroyBilt.